this quick tutorial, I will be showing you how to change your signature in your Outlook email. So from your Outlook email on the web, the first place you'll want to go is going to be this little settings gear on the right-hand side. When you click that settings gear, it will give you a search bar, and I normally type just SIG for signature and click on email signature in the search. It'll open me straight up to a little text editor where I can add some information about myself to include in my signature line. So if I just type in my name, my location, and then you would include anything else you need to have in your signature, like again, including your email address, phone number, anything like that, grade level that you teach, you would include that in your signature line. You do have all of the different tools that you'll use to edit your text. So as long as you have your text highlighted, you have the ability to change your font size, font color, all of those things from this little toolbar. And in your email, this is the same little toolbar you see when you compose your emails. So you'll be able to format your text there. If you did want to include a Bitmoji, if you want to include your Bitmoji in your signature line, if you have your Bitmoji extension in your browser, you can go up in there, choose your Bitmoji, right click, copy, and you should be able to go in where you would like it to be and paste. So you might just have to click resize and then also realign where you would want your text if you wanted to include that there. What I tend to do instead of inserting just the Bitmoji by itself is I go ahead and I make my images either in Keynote, in PowerPoint, in Canva, and I upload them as a picture that already has all my information. So I did already create one for myself. And again, when it loads, it might be a little large, so you will need to click, drag in one of those corners, and then just make sure that it looks the way you would like it. If you need to add any other items, so if you have any other badges or a disclaimer or a quote or anything like that that you would like to include, you can have that at the bottom of your signature. Once you've completed that, make sure you choose your options for how you would like to include your signature. I always have both automatically include on new messages and automatically include in a reply, and then save. Once you've saved, you can exit out and you can start a new message so you can see what it looks like at the bottom of your email message.